Hello. Hello, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back. These days I'm always happy. Once I've celebrated my birthday, I just thank God for the grace to mark another year. I'm always happy. It's in the following year. So I'll be doing a lot of dancing, Just be happy and appreciate God. For it's not of him that willeth, nor him that runneth, but God show you mercy. If he has showed you mercy, you have no reason, you have no choice. Just be happy. Even when people offend you, they step on your toes, they get you angry, they don't even like you. Like yourself. Me, I like you. God like you. Just be happy. Welcome back to my channel. God bless you. My name is Mercy, and it's all about simple solution to the challenges of life. Life is up and down. It's full of challenges. Please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. You will never regret it. It's all about knowledge. Information is power. I want you to move forward. I'm helping you. You're helping me too. Like this video. Share this video. Share the video to help somebody in need. Today I will be showing you how you can settle with people, how you can win their hearts, win them back to you. There are some kind of people that no matter whatever you do to please them, they will still be finding fault. They are fault finders. For example, you are a marketer in your place of work. They will expect you to do more, you are doing. And whenever your boss see you, your boss will be mad at you. He will insult you or she will insult you, always looking down on you. No matter what you do to please them, they are not always happy. There are some kind of people, that set of people like that. You've been trying to make peace with them. You've prayed, you have tried. But do you know there is another natural way where you can make peace with them without not going diabolical, without not being diabolic, being fetish? Now let me tell you, before you were born and into this world, God has made everything beautiful. He has made everything available for you. You will imagine what I'm going to say this time around. He has made everything available for, because he know. He said in the world you will face tribulation, but be of good cheer, because I have overcome the world. For greater is it that is in you than that's in the world. So there are natural ways you can win people's hearts back to you. Have they been looking down on you? Whatever you do, you never please them. That's a set of people like that. They will always find fault. They will always complain. They will look for something to give you query. They will look for something to always say you are not up to standard. They will look for something to always bring you down. Do you have a quarrel with somebody in your family? You've been trying to make peace and the person doesn't want peace. But you want to make peace, because the Bible said, blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall obtain peace. You always have a fight with your husband, you've offended him, and you're trying to win his heart back to you. You don't know what to do. Here is something you will do. Have you tried this? I'm going to show you what you can use to win people back to you. Win their hearts. Make peace. Now it's on positive level. Now you have to forgive yourself. And you are ready to forgive them. That is when this will work for you. Because it is nature. It is natural. What you will be using is this something in your kitchen. Something you don't need to go far to get. Something you've been using every day. In your soup. In your food. Something you've been using to toast your bread. But today we don't want to use it for that. We want to use it for another extraordinary work. We want peace. The year is about to end. We don't want to continue fighting. We want people to love us. We want to win their hearts. We want to be romantic with our spouse, our family and friends. Please, I want you to do this. And by the time you do this, with God Almighty by your side, knowing your good intention, you will surely see result. Tantaran, taran, taran. You know this. Cooking oil, the red one. Salt. Just an egg. And of course, the spiritual messenger. The messenger that's back on a journey, and the messenger that never back on a shameful journey. I tell you, when you have these things together, what you're going to do, you're going to take one seed of this particular fruit, spiritual messenger. You take one seed, you put it in your mouth, you will chew it. When you're done chewing it, you're going to take your red oil, you just put a little in a plate, take your salt, you mix it together. I will not be doing this one now. You just take a little red oil in a plate, take your salt, you mix it together, use your authority finger, use it to mix it together. Just mix it just this way, anti-clockwise, just one side, turn. When you turn, you close it back, now you open. Then you know that red oil and salt, they are pari passu. They are like brothers and sisters. They work together. They have common things. Yes. Now, red oil in the realm of spirit goes with calmness. It helps to calm anger. It helps to calm the spirit down. You will get your egg. By the time you've chewed your alligator pepper in your mouth, just one seed, then you take the mixture of that red oil. You'll be calling their name, even if they are tens. Just they are 10 in number. Just make sure you know their name. You call their name. You just take that your mixture of red oil and salt. You just take it and you just call. Let's say Josephine Egwatu. Let's say Josephine Egwatu. I mercy. I win your heart. I bring you back to myself. I have forgiven you. Please forgive me. I bring you. I want our relationship to continue. I love you. I want you to love me back. And so must it be. You mention their names, each and every one of them. You'll be mentioning their name. You take another one, you mention them. Like I said, I'm not going to miss this one. I'm just showing it in an illustration. You measure their name. You measure their name. You measure their name. You measure their name. You're commanding their hearts to come back to me. I want us to be in peace. I want us to be together again, like friends, like best friend, like just like that. You mention is your boss. You call your boss, fall in love with me. Yes, I want you to always help me, support me. Yes, you will just mention their name while you apply the substance, while you apply the mixture of the red oil and salt together. You'll be rubbing it, applying it upon the egg. You'll be rubbing it. Come to yourself. Come to me. Come to me. Now, for your loved ones, your family, friend, you just mention their name and their surname. You just bring them. Now, if it's your spouse, maybe you find out that his heart is changing. You've been trying everything and it's really not working. You just mention it. Let me say, okay, John dear, my baby, I want you to come back to me. I want your heart to come back to me. I really love you. I really appreciate you. I appreciate the relationship. I love you. I want our relationship to continue. That's how we're going to be saying, I love you, sweetheart. I want you to love me more. Let your heart come back to me. You and I are one. We are together. Yes, we are together. The Bible said what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. This little offense will not put asunder. I love you and I want you to love me more. I want your heart to come back to me. You're my sugar, you're my honey, my treasure. You just mention those names, smiling and applying the mixture of the red palm oil with salt together. While you apply it on the egg, you just be applying it to yourself, just like that. When you done measuring their name, you just lick those your fingers, lick the red oil. Then go outside your house where there is no coverage, open air, where there is no coverage, and you'll be smashing the egg. Smash it where there is sand. Yes, where there is sand, just smash it on the sand and use the sand to cover it, and it is gone. It is buried in the sand. And God Almighty that have seen your hearts, that you want peace and love, will surely grant that your desire. You know that everybody come with egg. No, there's no human being on earth that did not pass through egg. You must form as an egg before you come to life. Egg is life. So that is what you will be doing, so that you can bring unity back. You can be able to unite back to your family, with your boss, with your workers, those of them that you know that they are good, with your spouse. You'll be able to unite them together. As you're seeking for love, God will surely help you. All right. I remain one and your only sister, Mercy. Please share this video to help somebody that have been fighting to make peace in the place of work or in the family, to be able to solve their problem by their own self, with God Almighty on their side. Thank you for watching today. See you again in my next video. Bye.